Okay, right now we will practice the replace function. For example, here you have some first name, right? So you would like to replace some text after a certain character, right? For example, uh, equal replace, right? First parenthesis old text is here, right? So it means comma, then starting number. For example, I will replace the numbers after the four characters. So starting number, it means 4, right? Okay, then comma, start character, I mean number character, I mean how can I say, for example, last three characters I replace, right? And then comma, the new character, for example, first FRIT, freight. Okay, so first parenthesis, here is the sign, sorry, quotation, right? So take it close, and then enter. Okay, so please drag and drop, right? If I zoom in here, you will see after the third character, right? EIN, you see here. So after the from the fourth character, right? Next three character, yeah, okay. So pin fruit and then PLE. Okay. So FRUIT fruit. Okay. Then banana. So after the three characters, right? Then fruit. Okay. Orange after the three character fruit. Pineapple after three character fruit and then bell. Right. Grape after three character GRA and then fruit. Okay. It means I replaced the word after the three character. I'm starting with four characters. From the fourth character, I replaced next three character with the word fruit, right? Okay, this is the replace function. Okay,